So I'm Darian. I'm going to be a third year, so a 3L law student at the University of Utah. I have a dog. She's a Chihuahua mix, and she's really fun. She's made school at home kind of hard. Generally, I like hiking and spending time with my family. Yeah, I think that's mostly it. My biggest obstacle was kind of like even getting and doing my undergrad was like you don't know what you don't know, and like my parents don't have bachelor's degrees. They don't have professional degrees, so it's like being first generation was like, okay, what do I even do? Like, where do I even go? And so, like, half the battle was finding the resources to even know what to do, basically. And so, I didn't really know, like, what's the process of law school look like? So, I was like in the trench of applying for it. But in terms of like what it looks like when you get in, I had no clue. Everyone's different. So, not everyone's super comfortable or has the connections to ask. And I think just in the legal field in general, like access to information is huge because it's like you'd think you could have easy access to everything on the internet, but it's like really hard. It's like you can't, like, you have to talk to someone or even know where to look. And I think that's one of the biggest things. And I think like with between like this mentorship program and just all the other resources that organizations like Euclid have, like that's the best way forward, I think, is just like trying to make sure that people know where to look for things. And this year, like it's been really awesome. It's been like really structured, and then with the two mentors, it's been good because I think there's like a more senior partner that I'm paired with, and they're both from the same firm, and then like an associate. So they have different perspectives, and then like the associate's closer to like where I am essentially. So it's been more recent that he's gone through law school and then like found his first job and done that. And then the more senior partner has like just a ton of experience and like he's done hiring. So we did like mock interviews, and we did just like general, I've like asked them what classes they think I should take, and like that's been super helpful. I know Casey worked really hard and she made this whole big like binder, and it's been really good because then sometimes like I don't know and then they don't know, and it's like who takes charge in the situation. It's kind of like because it's semi-formal, and so having that was like, okay, well, we're supposed to do these certain activities, here's some ideas, like what would help you. And then it really gave like the mentorship a structure. As much as I've gained from like the mentorship program, I would definitely be excited to help and like just pay that forward in the future because it's helped me a ton. And I think like where Casey's put in so much work and Euclid's just put in so much work in general, like it's really not that challenging. Like you don't have to come up with your own creative ideas to like help the if when I graduate to help the student. It's like, okay, they already have all this, they've done a lot of the heavy lifting for you, now you just have to be there and like share your experience. And I think that like, yeah, I've gained so much just from being like able to be connected with people that I would be happy to like participate later. And so I think definitely it's on my radar that like just to be able to participate when I graduate.